So this fabric was chosen because of its brightness, its visibility at night when light reflects upon it. It's really bright yellow. I don't know if my video is showing this real good, but this is really bright yellow. Here's the lining inside that's waterproof lining. So this is good material for making a raincoat. This emergency raincoat is going to be outstanding. That's going to stand out rather. So just going to take and open it up. I think I have about 4 yards of this. I don't think we're going to need that much, but here we go. University 2. This is part 3 on how to make the deluxe raincoat. I need to add my collar up front here. That's not on yet. And my Velcro down the center. We're going to work on adding pockets on the side and maybe a couple of pockets inside to hold us, maybe a small flashlight or a small hand tool. But this is my deluxe raincoat. How to, we may add a bib up here. May sew a hat into the hood area to add a bib so it can extend out to block the rain from your face. So stand by. This is part 3 on how to make a deluxe raincoat. Diversity 2, I pretty much completed my deluxe emergency rain coat. I have my hood, my bib. What I don't have here at the moment is either my Velcro or my tie-down strap, where I would cut a slit here in the seam and just slide it through the hood out the other end, and that'll be my tie-down string, or to add Velcro to both sides and just connect it that way. The sleeves are oversized on purpose in case I wanted to duck my hands in to keep them from getting wet. And this deluxe raincoat has a large pocket here for an extra umbrella to help someone that may need to get from point A to point B. It stores right there with no problem, with a large pocket. On the other side, we have storage pockets here. Have a plastic bag here for your cell phone to keep it dry. Have another small flashlight. We have pins and stuff located there. And on the side, we have a large pocket going down the side with another storage area there also on the right side. This is my emergency deluxe raincoat, designed with the bib to keep the water off your face if you so desire to use it. If not, just take it off and put it in your storage pocket inside your jacket here. And this deluxe raincoat, it folds. If you don't want to wear it long ways, you just pull up the bottom, just attach it to here. This raincoat instantly comes into a short wear deluxe raincoat just by pulling up the two ends at the bottom and snapping them into place with Velcro. Diversity 2, how to make a deluxe raincoat or an emergency raincoat. You keep this in your emergency kit in your trunk. When you're ready to use it, or pull it out, there you have it. Diversity 2. Another thing I did not add was, my Velcro to enclose the whole front here. You can keep water from going down your neck. This will Velcro tight around your neck, like that. And going down the front here, instead of buttons or snaps, we have Velcro to just simply close and slide it with your hand, and that will get you sealed in and kept dry. Diversity 2, how to make a deluxe raincoat. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.